becoming more creative and even fun.
ABC7's Karen Meyer is here to tell us more about that. Karen?
Linda, gymnastics program that have been modified for occupational and physical therapy are helping children with different disabilities become strong and more social. Once a week, 8-year-old Quinn Epstein comes to a big blast for gymnastics therapy.
It's more in a fun environment, and he's having a blast, and he's developing really well.
His mother, Sharon, is so glad this is working for her son.
At first, I was a little hesitant. They gave me a free trial, and as soon as I came and saw Quinn do his first therapy, I knew it was absolutely perfect. Because it's not like the traditional OT therapy in the clinic.
Quinn was diagnosed with autism when he was 2.5.
I would call his name, he wouldn't respond. He acted like he didn't hear me. He was very repetitive with his toys.
Since Quinn started coming to a big blast 5 months ago, his mom has seen changes.
His upper body development has increased dramatically. For example, when we started, he couldn't even do the monkey bars, and I'd been trying for years to get him to do the monkey bars like a normal neurotypical child. And Quinn, within 3 months, can do the monkey bars back and forth numerous times.
Rhonda Pestal is the owner of a big blast.
To qualify, you just have to have a doctor's prescription for OT or PT, physical therapy or occupational therapy, do an evaluation for them with Dayla, my therapist, and then we make an individualized program just for them, depending on what mom wants to do, what they want to work on. Sometimes it's something as simple as being able to do the monkey bars or go up and down the stairs or ride a bike, and sometimes it's just dealing with sensory issues and wanting them to feel comfortable around people and touching or things of that nature.
The cost is $180 an hour.
Insurance covers most of the cost of the therapy.
Gymnastics therapy is growing.
We are now in 4 different facilities. We're at Ultimate Gymnastics in Gurnee, this place, which is the Northbrook Gymnastics. We're also in Countryside at Flying High Gymnastics, as well as Flips Gymnastics North Shore, which is in Lake Forest. And we just got Mundelein, the gym spot. My goal was I wanted the kids to go somewhere and have fun and have a blast.
To learn more about a big blast, what a great name, go to our website, abc7chicago.com.
Okay.
They're having fun, too.
Thank you, Karen. And now, after a final timeout, Mr. Food stirs up a home